guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Georgia. If you're new, welcome, and if you're not, welcome back. In today's video, I'm gonna be doing some head wrap style. So if you guys want to see this video, make sure you guys go ahead, like the video, share the video, subscribe, and also leave a comment down below. So let's get started with the video. You need to know you're beautiful, you're perfect just like you are. So this hair company, or this company on Amazon, they reach out to me and they send me some head wraps. So I'm gonna just open it and show you guys what I received in the packet. Yeah, and then we can start doing the wrap. Okay. Ooh, it's very heavy. And I'm gonna leave the price and everything for you, and I'll leave the link of the store that sent me these products. So I got a red one, a brown, a white, and also a black. So let's go, and I'm gonna you know, black is kind of my favorite color right now. Yeah, I don't know why, but yeah, I'm feeling like I always love black, because you know, it's a very, you can wear it anywhere. You can wear it anywhere. So let's go ahead and start this video. I'm not gonna be doing a lot of talking in the video, so you guys can just go ahead and watch me, because if I do the talking while I do this, I'm gonna mess up, and we don't want that, right? We don't want that. So let's go ahead and start. So I'm gonna start with the black one and show you guys. Oh, let me see the length of it. Ooh, it's huge. The rabbit is so big. It's so big. Okay, let's go ahead and do this. I'm gonna just catch this one up. Okay guys, so we're gonna try a different color now. Okay, let's try the red. Let's try the red. down.
Play it back again. Possible of them. Tell them this a yard man anthem. We are come from 1 back to 10. Pull up that. Play it back again. So the possible of them. Everybody know how the thing been. Select and me beg you play it back again.
Every time I say me looking at your eye, the love alone where you give me one cry. Every time when me looking at me eye, feel love girl you know me would that. Chill a lot of girl don't know what to come off, but I you know you are the beat and me have a chill a lot of girl don't know what to come off, but baby you want the beat and me heart. Even though the girl are you and me boo, I'ma put that never live without you. This your love that it real and true, real and true. Because she give me just one touch, one touch. Me say me fall in love with one touch, one touch.
Stop that. Play it back again. Possible of them. Tell them this a yard man anthem. We are come from 1 back to 10. Pull up that. Play it back again. So the possible of them. Everybody know how the thing been. Select and me beg you play it back again.
Touch the road, everything alright. We are go all a one party tonight. Touch the road, everything alright. We are go shell down a party tonight. Pan table, you know the thing go. Money in a pocket, you know the thing go. Girl by my side, you know the thing go. Just win a cat, you know me bingo.
Stop that. Play water.
We in the club and you party like nobody. We in the club and you dance like nobody. We in the club, girl, you show me your matter, your matter, your matter. We in the club and you party like nobody. We in the club and you dance like nobody. We in the club, girl, you show me your matter, your matter, your matter. Wanna, 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 wanna.
Water. She sound like mommy water. She sound like mommy water. Wah. She sound like mommy water. Ooh ah. Mommy water. She sound like mommy water. Ooh. Mommy water. Mommy water. Mommy water.
We in the club and you party like nobody. We in the club and you dance like nobody. We in the club, girl, you show me your matter, your matter, your matter. We in the club and you party like nobody. We in the club and you dance like nobody. We in the club, girl, you show me your matter, your matter, your matter. We in the club and you party like nobody. We in the club and you dance like nobody. We in the club, girl, you show me your matter, your matter, your matter. We in the club and you party like nobody. We in the club and you dance like nobody. We in the club, girl, you show me your matter, your matter, your matter.
Why me never know where me start one shine? Be there, boy, be there for the long time. No we joke, why we keeping on grinding? We keep on hustling to die. Why me never know where me start one shine? Be there, boy, be there for the long time. No we joke, why we keeping on grinding? We keep on hustling to die.
All my ladies come on roll with me. We got to make the cash, we got to make the money. We buy a big house with family, apartment, and jacuzzi. Again, all my ladies come on roll with me. We got to
Reach the end of the video. If you guys enjoyed the video like how I enjoyed making it, make sure you guys go ahead and like the video, share the video, subscribe, and also leave a comment down below. Let me know which style was your favorite. This style was one of my favorites, so this one was number 2, but number 1 would have to be the half and half, where I combined the red and the black together. That one was absolutely gorgeous, like Wakanda forever. But yeah, so if you guys are not following me on TikTok, make sure you guys go ahead and follow me on TikTok. It's the same name. I'm just Georgia K, and thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.